You sure this
I'm
guy's all right?
telling you, the guy's
You
good.
checked him out?
Hey, here he is right here. Phil Nico. Nico Phil.
So you're the guy who got jumped for a couple of million?
Yeah, you gonna pop me for it?
No, I've heard good things. Some odd friends, but you know, what are you gonna do?
You're right. I've been keeping bad company.
Oh, you mean this guy? He's okay. Well, he pays up, and he ain't gone states yet.
Very funny, ha.
Listen, we got a lot of missing money, and we got a problem with these fucking bikers.
And I've got a problem finding someone.
Yeah, I nearly got something on that.
So we sent some of our boys after the money. Maybe you can deal with the bikers. Calm them down. They're causing trouble on the corner of Vauxhall and Exeter.
Sure.
Otherwise, you and Raymond here got a serious problem. The boss has got to get paid. Even when people forget to tell them about things they're working on.
Don't bust my balls. What's the point of talking about things unless they become real?
I'm sure.
Yeah, I'm sure you're sure, Phil. You of all people.
Now what the hell does that mean?
Nothing. I mean, come on. You're a guy who knows what's what, right, Phil? Take it
okay.
easy.
You are really annoying to me now.
This scene was like a dollar bill.
You took something that belonged to my employers.
Shit! That's the cocksucker that Johnny ripped off for the diamond loot! Hey, why don't we see if he can keep up with some real American bikers? Hey, let's do this!
Couldn't they make this easy? I got rid of those bikers for you. Johnny wasn't there, though.